Hi everyone. Welcome to my channel. In this video, we will explore what the Kumbh Mela festival is and how it is celebrated in India. What is Kumbh Mela? Kumbh Mela is one of the most significant Hindu religious, spiritual and cultural festival. The festival is celebrated in a cyclical manner across 4 key holy sacred locations in India: Prayagraj, formerly Allahabad, in Uttar Pradesh, Haridwar in Uttarakhand, Ujjain in Madhya Pradesh, and Nashik in Maharashtra. Each of these locations is situated on the banks of sacred rivers. Prayagraj is the confluence, Sangam, of the Ganga, Yamuna, and the mythical Saraswati. Haridwar is on the Ganga, Ujjain is on the Kshipra, and Nashik Trimbakeshwar is on the Godavari. Kumbh Mela is the world's largest public religious gathering, attracting millions of devotees, including men, women, sadhus, Hindu holy men, and scholars. Pilgrims participate in religious rituals and take a holy dip in the sacred rivers, believing it cleanses sins and grants spiritual benefits such as salvation and renewal. It is often referred to as the largest religious congregation in the world. The Kumbh Mela is one of the most sacred pilgrimages for Hindus and is recognized by UNESCO as an intangible cultural heritage of humanity in 2017. The Kumbh Mela is not only a religious event but also a cultural and social phenomenon, attracting sadhus, holy men, pilgrims, and tourists from around the world. Ultimately, Kumbh Mela provides an opportunity for attendees to seek spiritual renewal and salvation. What does Kumbh Mela mean? The name Kumbh Mela translates to Festival of the Sacred Pitcher in Sanskrit. Kumbh refers to the pitcher or pot that contained the nectar of immortality in Hindu mythology, while Mela means a fair festival or gathering. What is the mythological origins of Kumbh Mela? Some people believe that the Kumbh Mela festival is mentioned in ancient Hindu scriptures like the Vedas and Puranas. According to the myth of the Samudra Manthan, the churning of the ocean of milk, the gods, devas, and demons, asuras, worked together to churn the ocean, called Kshisagar. Their goal was to obtain a divine nectar of immortality called Amrit, which had the power to grant immortality. It was believed that the nectar was so powerful, if anyone drank even a drop of it, they would become immortal and would never die. During the churning, the god Dhanvantari appeared holding a pot, Kumbh, filled with the Amrit. As soon as the pot appeared, both the gods and demons wanted the pot and fought over this pot. To protect the Amrit from the demons, Jayant, the son of the god Indra, the king of gods and an incarnation of Lord Vishnu, grabbed the pot and ran toward the heavens. The sun, Surya, Saturn, Shani, Jupiter, Brihaspati, and the moon, Chandra, helped Jayant protect the pot. The demons, however, chased them fiercely. This chase lasted for 12 divine days, which equals 12 human years. During the chase, drops of Amrit spilled at 4 places on earth: Haridwar, Prayagraj, Ujjain, and Nashik Trimbakeshwar. To honor this sacred event, Kumbh Mela is celebrated every 12 years at these 4 locations. The festival dates are determined based on the positions of the Sun, Saturn, Moon, and Jupiter in the zodiac. Types of Kumbh Melas. Here's a summary of the Kumbh Mela festival. Magh Mela occurs once a year in Prayagraj. Kumbh Mela, held once every 3 years at Prayagraj, Haridwar, Nashik, and Ujjain. Ardh Kumbh Mela occurs once every 6 years in Prayagraj and Haridwar. Purna Kumbh Mela, held once every 12 years at Prayagraj, Haridwar, Nashik, and Ujjain. It is also called Full Kumbh Mela. Mahakumbh Mela occurs once every 144 years in Prayagraj. It is also called Great Kumbh Mela. The date, timing and duration of each Kumbh Mela are determined by astrologers, eminent spiritual leaders, renowned yogis and religious authorities according to Hindu astrological charts. The event concludes after the final designated bathing day, known as the last Shahi Snan, Royal Bath. What is the special in Prayagraj Kumbh Mela? The most famous among them is the Great Kumbh Mela held at the Triveni Sangam in Prayagraj, where the Ganges, Yamuna, and Saraswati rivers meet. Mahakumbh Mela occurs once every 144 years in Prayagraj. Prayagraj is one of the locations where all types of Kumbh Mela is celebrated in India. The Kumbh Mela is celebrated in Prayagraj when Jupiter is placed in Taurus and the Sun and Moon are in Capricorn. What activities take place during the Kumbh Mela? The festival is a mix of religious rituals and cultural events. Shahi Snan, royal baths. Mahants and sadhus, including Naga sadhus, gather at Triveni Sangam for the first sacred bath of Kumbh Mela. Key bathing dates include Makar Sankranti, Mauni Amavasya, Posh Purnima, Basant Panchami, Maghi Purnima and Mahashivratri. Grand processions take place on these days, with sadhus singing to the beat of drums and the sound of horns and trumpets. Naga sadhus, covered in ash, symbolize renunciation. Other activities at Kumbh Mela: holy dips in the sacred rivers, spiritual gatherings and religious lectures, discussions on spirituality and religion, processions and parades led by Naga sadhus, prayers and aarti, including the must-see Ganga Aarti, cultural performances and events, meditation and yoga sessions, exhibitions and installations on spirituality and tradition, workshops and demonstrations on various religious practices, temporary settlements housing pilgrims and ascetics. Thank you.